Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka school ba North Eastern Hills University kan sa penlong ye ka jing penrung kam lani ka rozgar mela ka ban sedang nado ka khan reo tarik hado ka khat pra tarik unailar arhajar arpulai ya ka ba an plipat ba ya ka ka rozgar mela do menteri rang ba ka jella u Konrad Kongkel Sangma uban salong ru kum kongsan ha ka sngi haba keren cikilat pathai khubor ka sngi palai Vice Chancellor Jongka Nehu u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ula ong bahadu kumba prapo na kasispa kinong song snong ka jela kidei kibadang lingba ka rep karyang bat ka kamri jingri ka bada no senyang tang kumba khatnyo na kasispa sya ka yo ka kot ka jela badu ula ong ba ka jela ka ya kendo jinge shikat dei ha ka jingyo kam yo jam ha ka ba ki khna samla kim yo satya ya ka kam ka jam bat ka ni kalawan ra ka jinge ka ba khrau ya ka jela Vice Chancellor ulia thoru ba ki artli ki company ki ba paunam ya ki bala tip kum ka Sodexo bat ka Adecco kin sawan ban shimbenta ketika sngi baru loong ba ki kam ki ba an sapenrung ki long ki bala mangkerpang na ka benta ki bala dapan puli ka kardan class 10 bat class 12 ka ITI diploma bat ha ka graduation ha ki no ki kardan puli.
So I am really delighted to share with you that the Northeastern Hill University Shillong is all set up host a mega recruitment drive, commonly known as the Rozgar Mela from 16th to 18th August 2023. Honorable Chief Minister of the Meghalaya, Sri Konark K. Sangma, has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the inaugural ceremony. And the current estimate population in the Meghalaya is approximately 38.16 lakh, and a recent report published on July 19, 2023, the Niti Aayog names Meghalaya the poorest state after the Bihar. Around 80% of the population is dependent upon the agriculture and allied sector, and which contributes only 17% to the state GDP. So our state is facing job crisis where youths are not getting job, and this is very serious concern for the state of Meghalaya as well as Northeastern Hill University. This is one of the most important university of the Northeast, established in 1973, and we are already celebrating the golden jubilee year of the Northeastern Hill University. So after my joining, I had to think in this area also. Even can Northeastern Hill University do something under new education policy? And you might know about the Northeastern Hill University already taken a decision to implement the new education policy for the PG student, already implemented from the session of 2022-23, and for the UG student, we have already taken decision for the implement of new education policy from this academic session for the benefit of the youth of the Meghalaya. And I had taken a decision to start some employment platform, employment cell in the campus of the Nehu. So after appointment of technical consultant, he is rigorously doing the work to sign the MOU, make a relation with the private companies. And after that, today I am in position to say something about the employment of the youth of Meghalaya. And as you know, the unemployment has been seen to be one of the cause of the poverty, and the unemployment should not just rely on the government jobs only, but instead they need to think further ahead. They need to venture into the entrepreneurial fields to gain a sustainable income. They also need to explore the jobs available in the global world. And the Nehu, by this recruitment drive, Rozgar Mela, is trying to bridge the gap between the colleges, Nehu campus, and also between the college and the society. And with this way, this is my perception. It may be I fail in the future, but I am trying my best. And the drive will have have more than 5,000 positions for a variety of domains, and I am happy to share that 2 of the global Fortune 500 listed companies, namely Sodexo and the Adecco, are participating in this drive. Along with these 2 companies, we will be having couple of more companies during the drive. These positions are immediate requirement, and the candidates will be expected to join immediately. I am also happy to share that more than 1/3 of the positions are reserved for the female candidates. And to be exact, the number of is 2,000 plus, not 1 or 2 or 5 or 10. And 2,000 number is not a small number. Female candidates having 10th, 12th, ITI, diploma and the graduation in any discipline will be eligible. That's why I'm also going to involve the society. Some we already, Meghalaya already have, Shillong already have some dropout student. We are also even thinking about the dropout student of the Meghalaya, and this is also one of the most important objective of the new education policy. And the offered position will be for the pan-India location with an opportunity to go abroad also. And the eligibility, already I mentioned, they start from 10th, IIT, diploma, graduation, and the salaries offered by the companies is more than the minimum basis of the state. So I'm just going to provide a platform. Rest of the thing is depend on the capability of the students. And NEHU in collaboration with Times Pro, EdTech vertical of the Times of India Group is ready to offer 300 systems, application and products SAP certification and training to the technical graduates for free of cost. And the primary prerequisite for this is the candidate should be the domicile of the Meghalaya. No other candidate in other candidates can also participate, but in 300 position only for the Meghalaya student. And the candidate from the streams like IT, CSC, BCA, MCA, MBA, IT and e-commerce will be allowed to participate in the interview, especially for 300 positions. And other positions, the minimum requisite is already different. And the training will be given by the SAP certified trainers in physical moves. So once again, I would like to even say that this is the first kind of drive which is going to be held on 16th August of this month, and after the Independence Day. And I hope with the help of the society, with the help of the affiliated colleges of the NEHU, with the help of the young generation of the Meghalaya, I will be in position to say that after 1 year, कि NEHU's platform given opportunity to more than 5,000 young generation of the Meghalaya. Thank you. 3 days. रोजगार मेला will be going to start from 16, it will be end up to 18. And as per requirement of the even student and companies in future continuously, I will try to even convene the Rozgar Mela in the campus of the NEHU. This is not the first, this is the beginning.
I mean, the companies mostly will be from outside.
Yes.
You are coming for...
Yeah, that is. Maximum companies from outside, Dalmia is also coming. Dalmia is from the even Meghalaya. Even USTM already selected more than 25 candidates from our campus. I think last one day, day after yesterday, he already conducted a drive and selected five candidates for the apprenticeship, and their requirement is 17 candidates.
For participating in the Rozgar, this candidate has to confirm beforehand, or he can come on the spot on the day himself?
No, come on the spot. He cannot go all the places. No, everybody is well aware with the NEHU.
Yes.
Anyone can visit in the campus of the NEHU. And our community hall is already famous, not only in our campus, also in the Meghalaya. So we are going to even conduct the program in the community hall.
Who are these students capable of applying for this Rozgar? Every student can come.
Every student, just like from 10th, IT, diploma, certificate and degree, or degree in the IT or MBA or even one page is also here. So recruitment drive is open for all. Any candidate from any part of the country can participate. But first preference is given to the main campus of the NEHU. Second, the affiliated colleges of the NEHU. Third, the society of the nearby the society of the Meghalaya. And fourth, open for